Welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today is a really nice day and I'm going to barbecue picanha and I'm going to talk more about this Brazilian cut of meat. So what is picanha? Picanha is a cut of beef that if you are in the United States, it would be referred as sirloin cap or cap of sirloin. However, in the UK, they call it the rump cap. Over the last few decades, it's become the favorite cut in Brazil. It is tender, juicy, and the thick fat on the outside preserves the flavor of the meat. So to cook picanha, my favorite method is the barbecue. It's so good that you simply season it with sea salt and place it in the barbecue grill. So here you go, medium rare picanha, and it's time to taste it. It's delicious, juicy, and perfect for this time of the year. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you next Thursday for another recipe.